All the memories we made.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another interesting tech review. Well, Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro is set to launch on October 3rd. Okay, that's today. Yeah, today at 8 a.m. EST with a price of $129.99. The same price will be available during the autumn promotion. For the first 3 weeks, there's an exclusive offer. Purchase a pair and receive a dedicated travel case with the promo code provided in the description box. The case is designed to fit most Soundcore earbuds, adding practicality and value to this package. The package includes Liberty 4 Pro earbuds, a compact charging case with a touch bar and display, multiple ear tip sizes, a USB-C charging cable, and quick start guides. Everything needed for a seamless setup is neatly organized and ready to go. Liberty 4 Pro has a sleek design and is available in different colors. Since the blue one is preferred here, that's the choice. The earbuds feature a stem style design with intuitive pinch controls. The standout feature is the case's touch bar and display, allowing quick adjustments without needing to use a phone. For controlling noise cancelling levels, the touch bar and display on the case are very handy. Battery status can be checked, and more, all without reaching for a phone. It's a user friendly setup that keeps everything connected and under control, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable listening experience. The secure fit, aided by multiple ear tip options, ensures comfort during workouts or daily commutes. The lightweight build and smooth finish provide comfort for extended wear, with the earbuds staying securely in place. This makes them ideal for various activities, offering both style and functionality. Liberty 4 Pro performs exceptionally well in dynamic environments with its reactive noise cancelling. It adapts every zero point 0.3 seconds, ensuring precise noise reduction whether in a coffee shop, restaurant, or in any other public place. With 6 sound sensors and a barometric pressure sensor, it captures noise from every angle, responding instantly to changes. This makes it ideal for real world scenarios like commuting, busy streets, or even during flights. Moreover, the touch bar on the case allows easy control of noise cancelling. Liberty 4 Pro adjusts to any situation, delivering consistent quiet in the hustle and bustle of everyday life.
Memories we made.
When it comes to sound, Liberty 4 Pro delivers a rich, immersive experience. Featuring a 10.5mm driver, titanium coated tweeter, and advanced ACAA technology, these earbuds provide clear highs, deep bass, and a balanced mid range. The digital crossover enhances driver performance, ensuring that every genre sounds its best. Whether it's podcasts, classical music, or bass heavy tracks, Liberty 4 Pro offers high fidelity audio that keeps the listener engaged. The sound stage is wide and detailed, making it feel like being right in the middle of the music. It's a true immersive experience in a compact and refined package. Liberty 4 Pro offers up to 10 hours of playback on a single charge, extendable to 40 hours with its case. A quick 5-minute charge provides 4 hours of playtime, and the case supports wireless charging. Wow! With ANC on, the earbuds last up to 7.5 hours, making them reliable for long listening sessions and extended usage throughout the day. Liberty 4 Pro provides clear call quality with its 6-mic AI setup. The microphones work together to isolate the speaker's voice from background noise, ensuring clarity even in noisy environments. Whether in a crowded cafe or on a busy street, voices remain crisp and natural, enhancing communication. Liberty 4 Pro supports Bluetooth 5.3 and multi-point connection, allowing two devices to be paired simultaneously. Switching between devices is seamless whether connected to an Android phone or an iOS device. The intuitive pinch controls on the earbuds enable effortless control of play, pause, or skip functions along with ANC. The Soundcore application enhances the Liberty 4 Pro experience with customizable features. ANC settings can be adjusted, multiple noise cancelling modes are available, or a personal sound profile can be created with the Hear ID feature. The application also offers equalizer customization, allowing tweaks to sound preferences. The app's user friendly interface simplifies navigation of these features, ensuring full utilization of the earbuds' capabilities. It's a versatile tool that complements the overall functionality of Liberty 4 Pro.
Shit on a shooting star.
Liberty 4 Pro combines advanced noise cancelling, high fidelity sound, and smart features in a sleek package. Comfortable, feature packed, and offering excellent performance for the price. These earbuds are a solid choice for any music enthusiast seeking quality and value. Well, that's all about this Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro, a set of earbuds that performs beyond its price tag. Shop Liberty 4 Pro at its launch price, backed by Soundcore's price lock promise for Fall Prime Day. Plus, for the first 3 weeks, snag a travel case for free. Don't miss out, click the link for all the exciting details. Not only me, most of my friends are in love with this Soundcore Liberty 4 Pro because it delivers. Even if it comes with a mid-range price tag, it performs like a super flagship. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.